Have you ever heard of the weight loss powers of parsley? This seasoning is a powerful diuretic that helps reduce bloating and thin down your belly. Did you know that? Besides, parsley has anti-inflammatory and improves digestion. It has anti-inflammatory properties that act directly on the cell inflammation that causes cellulitis. So after a month of drinking parsley juice, you will notice your orange peel skin disappearing. Because it is rich in vitamin C, B12, K, and A, parsley boosts immunity and avoids colds. And since it contains folic acid, the herb helps control the blood pressure, keeping the heart strong. Vitamin C and iron prevent anemia and fatigue. Parsley is also a great diuretic. It improves liver and kidney function, facilitating toxin elimination, and thus making our organs cleaner and less overloaded. Amazing, right? Parsley also adds a lot of flavor to dishes, reducing the use of salt or sugar, making it a nice option for diabetic or hypertensive people who need to lose weight. How cool is that? That's why the parsley diet is so easy. You simply need to make some parsley juice every morning for 5 days. It is important to drink this juice on an empty stomach. For this recipe, you will need a few parsley stems, 1 lemon, 7 ounces of water. Cut the parsley stems into small pieces, then put them in a blender with the water and lemon juice. Blend and drink right away. You can do this for 5 days, then do a 10-day pause before repeating the process. This will make for a healthy and gradual weight loss. Parsley is completely safe as food. However, pregnant women should avoid it since the herb can have harmful diuretic effects, such as bleeding, miscarriage, or inducing preterm labor. Oh, you know that yucky breath you get when going on a diet? This won't happen with the parsley diet, since it inhibits the production of bacteria that cause bad breath. Now tell us, have you ever tried a diet with parsley? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes,